Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm particularly excited about this one because this is a knife that I purchased for myself. This was sent, or actually I was purchased from USA Made Blade. Check out USA Made Blade. Scott Whittington is an excellent guy, and I try to go out of my way when I can to buy from him. I've been shopping with USA Made Blade forever, since way before the channel. He always does a great job of sending things promptly and communicating, and it's been excellent. So yeah, check out USA Made Blade. I've got my own links down in the description, but yeah, check out Scott Whittington at USA Made Blade. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me. If you'd like to check out Patreon, there's also a link for that down in the description. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get into this here real quick. And just making, so I just accidentally sliced my background. That's okay. I have more. Trying to cut carefully because this is well packed and I don't know where the contents is, like inside the box here, so I want to make sure and do that carefully. And we have tactical peanuts. We have another koozie. Awesome. And oh, what do we have here? Is this the receipt? Yep, that's the receipt. Okay. And yes, we have another Hinderer and more stickers, right? Check that out. Pretty cool. And here's the, by the way, I didn't zoom in on the website. Right there, usamadeblade.com. Is that everything that's in there? Yeah, let's go ahead and move these. So, which Hinderer did I get this time? What do we have here? Oh, awesome! I wasn't expecting that. That's cool. It's a challenge coin that is also, is this, here, let's just cut this open here. There we go. That was something I could have done with my fingers. It's a little USA Made Blade challenge coin that's also a bottle opener. That's cool. Awesome. I'm really happy about that, actually. Yes, we have, I like to check the card. Okay, so there's the person who hand-tuned and assembled it. This is a tri-way, right? Another tri-way Hinderer. You've shown 300 Hinderers on your YouTube channel. What is so different about this one? Well, it's a Gen 6. I've never owned one in the Jade, and this looks beautiful, exactly how I imagined it would look in real life. Flipping action is perfect, right? It's Spanto, but this is in S45VN. Very cool. As soon as I saw that this was available on their website, I thought, yeah, I would really like to get a Hinderer in S45. For anybody who doesn't know, the composition of it, the idea behind S45VN is essentially to keep its machinability and ease of sharpening similar to S35VN. But the composition should yield, and at optimal heat treat, it should yield edge retention that is better than S35, more on par than with S30V. Anybody who didn't know, S30V, if it's optimally heat treated and you're comparing the exact same geometry, will have better edge retention than S35VN. But it also has corrosion resistance that is superior to both. That sounded pretty good to me. I like the idea of that. I have a lot of Hinderers in 20CV. I got one in S35VN, right? I'm pretty excited that Hinderer is stepping into S45VN, and I'm sure we'll see a lot more of this with his knives. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I know you guys are wondering, are you going to put one of the tie scales on it? I don't know. I kind of like how it looks with the Jade, and as is usually the case, we have completely fall shut action, very good flipping action. This one's stupid early on the lockup. Good God. Very easy disengagement. Just as per usual, everything is perfectly centered. This is why I buy so many Hinderers, guys. I am a Hinderer nut. I'm a crazy, crazy Hinderer nut. This is number 30 for me. Dead serious. This is number 30 in terms of Hinderer knives for me. I currently own 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I currently own 5. A lot of times I keep finding ones that I want to keep, right? So I have yet another one, and this is just cool. I have not owned a Spanto 3.5-inch with a choil since my very first Hinderer. This is only the second time that I've owned this exact blade shape. I have had another Spanto, but it was a no choil from DLT. So this was a good opportunity to get some nostalgia in a Hinderer and get a G10 scale I've never had, and get a new steel that Hinderer has never offered before up until this point. Very satisfied with this. That's always the case with Hinderer knives. You can check out Hinderer knives down in the description, like I said, from some of the retailers that I show, but check out USA Made Blade. Go see what they've got. Scott's a great guy. He's always got a great, really interesting inventory. And they do get a lot of really cool Hinderer stuff, and oftentimes they get things like, this was the very first S45VN Hinderer that was available on the internet, was through USA Made Blade. So sometimes you get a little bit of a head start with certain things through USA Made Blade. So yeah, that's a good reason to shop there. But anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Hope you guys are excited about this, found it interesting. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.